dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica, and kindly, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so by hitting the subscription button below and also dropping a comment in the comment section below and liking my video. So today I just want to give you a very quick review about Tecno Camon 12 earphone that I use to film my videos and also take my pictures with it. And specifically, I just want to focus on the editing feature that is found in the photo gallery of this phone. Like, this feature is just so amazing. Like, you can edit your photos without having to download the photo editing app. Like, you have everything in this phone, and I really like it, and I know you're going to like it as much as I really like it. So if you are interested, watch this video to the end and give it a thumbs up. Let's get started into this video. So this phone has a good quality camera of 1080. You can film your videos in 1080, and also you can edit your thumbnail photos on this phone because of the editing feature that it has. So it is a very nice phone, and maybe you're just thinking about starting a YouTube channel. All you need is just a nice phone with a good quality camera and you are good to go. The internal storage of this phone is 32 GB and the RAM is 3 GB. Guys, this is how this phone looks like at the back. As you can see, it has a triple camera setup at the back, and also this is how it looks like on the screen. So when you go to the photo gallery, you tap at the photo that you want to edit. When you tap at the photo that you want to edit, you will have three options. You have the share option and editing and deleting. When you go to the edit option, you find that when you tap there, we have different features that comes up. We have filters, we have edit, adjust text, we have watermarks, and we have frames. So guys, I'm just showing you some of the pictures that I did screenshot because I'm filming this video with the same phone. So when you go to the filter, you tap there, you find that you have different kinds of filters that you can apply to your photo. Like, you will have options of 1 up to 12. And guys, some of these features, when you can maybe you find them in the editing photo apps, some of them are restricted. You will have to purchase them before you use them, but on this phone they are absolutely free, and they're just so amazing, and I hope you like them. And then now we move on to the next feature, which is the edit. When you click at edit, you'll find that you have cropping and also rotate. You can crop the photo to the size that you want it to be, but when you click on the rotate option, you find that we have vertical rotate and we have horizontal rotate. So maybe you took your photos facing a certain direction. Let me say maybe you're facing the right and you want to face to the left, so you can flip around your photo to the direction that you want it to be. And also, actually, you can have your photo, like, you write a text on it. When you click on the text button, you find that the text button comes up, and we have an option where you can insert your text, and you can put your text in the font that you like. Like, it has a variety of fonts and colors, so you can manipulate your text to be the way that you want. So this is just an amazing feature that I can be able to write a text on my photo. So I really like it. And also, when you click on the adjust button, you find that you have different features that comes up. Like, we have, maybe you want to add more brightness to your photo, saturation, contrast, highlighting, clarifying your photo, low light. And when you hit on these features, you find that we have also a small line that comes up at the top of your phone, and this line, when you tap on it, you find that when you tap to the right, it increases the action, but when you're tapping to the left, it reduces the action. So these features are just so amazing, and I hope they're going to help you if maybe you've been looking for maybe a phone that you want to buy, or maybe you're just someone who like taking pictures and posting them on social media platform. This is a phone that you want to consider, because a phone is not a good phone if it does not have a very nice a good quality camera. So this is a phone that you want to go for. And also it has different types of frames. Like you can frame your photo in different types of frames on this phone. Like it has varieties that you can choose from, and also it has watermarks. Like you can add watermarks to your photo depending on how you want it to be. So it is really a very nice phone that you can play around with your photo. You can manipulate it the way you want it, and you can have very nice photos. As for example, like this picture, I took it with this phone and I have not edited this picture. So you can imagine if I edited my phone, my picture is going to pop like it's going to be really nice. So guys, I hope you have really enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us have a conversation in the comment section below, or maybe you have more suggestions, or maybe you have something to say. Please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching to the end.